douchey.
Shit has been happening. I don't know if you've noticed.
What's been happening in Europe?
Shit has been happening in Europe, yes.
All of France is still on fire, and
Yup. They're not happy.
Wait,
they're
it
having
was
a
green
full-on
this whole
50-mile
time.
field day in France.
Really?
And no, you had to find a dude who had head injuries and make up an interview. What the?
Somebody bought Betty White's house, $10 million, and just knocked it down.
Wow.
Okay,
like,
come on, that was
Like,
stupid.
who has the money to buy a house and knock it down?
Nissan drivers.
Like so on 3 planes, I was in the classroom. I was going off into the worlds in this.
No,
kid's
turn
head.
on red, and there are
And
cars
then
coming
every once in
too.
a while, you were pulling me back, and I was sitting.
The 9 intakes for the regulator were still bagged, but this one would at least tell the truth. Stumbling over to the regulator, I turned
Red
it
light
back.
run, red light run, red light run.
It's not okay. Something going on. It's like a lymphedema. I don't know. He looked like one of the children that was in.
There's more than enough room, and you weren't even making a U-turn. Why did you have to ram alongside a freaking truck like that?
He skated around the whole fucking offensive zone in like division, whatever the fuck they have, like division
That was an
3
old stuff.
hockey, and you just watching
Toyo
this
turd.
guy going, that guy.
There's 2 things: bringing kids, and then when you just get older, you know what it is, Paul?
Don't
It's the
turn on red.
TV, the fucking surround sound.
She has a secret admirer.
Well,
No, that's too mean. It's just all too mean. You
No,
know what,
stop.
you know, there's-
school bus.
Even in their stupidity.
Really?
And so, like, in the end, like, we all have to make our own call.
Goose. Get out of the way. Really?
A few moments later.
What's up with the fucking birds today?
2 days later.
Really, the second time this week. Get out of the way! No, stop. No, stop.
Shit for burning books. But he's like, actually,
No, stop. No, stop.
Nova feels as though this lingering trauma could be shaping her mom's ideology.
No, stop, Toyo Third.
I asked Nova if she had any hope for the future.
it's hard to say it sometimes. Things don't get better. Sometimes it really doesn't. Sometimes
You
it
flashed
comes
your
down
lights
to
at me, dude.
People need to be ready for.
You had a Matsui t-shirt on.
Oh my god, yeah, of course.
Yep, left turn regret.
Hyundai.
Hyundai.
Is inherently funny, and that's the hardest thing to do, I think, is to be opinionated.
There he goes. I was trying to do the Jeopardy theme song there. And he's gonna speed right through. Because why wouldn't you?
A awkward run-in with Buddha in the hallway. I don't know why it's always
Really?
so awkward between me and him. Maybe it's because, like, I'm so stressed and neurotic.
Everybody come to Nicaea. We're going to sit down. We're going to hammer this out. And so you
Is
have
there any
Arius who has
reason
a
why you
handful
gotta
of-
be in the middle of the road?
Want to be helpful,
Yeah.
social, but then you just went up to this big, hey man, and you just looked at each other, and then you both bursted out laughing.
You were in the left lane behind me and you still ran the red light. Douchebag.
And yes, you want to do that, but at the same time, it's like, I still...
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
And guess what he based it upon? Yep, free speech, the First Amendment. Our founding fathers must be rolling in their grave.
No, stop.
And Easter was actually the day that you broke that fast. And in Christianity, and still today, ironic.
We shouldn't pay that person what we would consider a living wage, meaning a career type wage, a wage that would be able to support a family or whatever. And so what they're going to do is they're going to make those jobs.
What the hell are you stopping for? Big line of cars behind me. Just to let one guy go that won't be able to go anyway. Really? Red light run, red light run, red light run. No, stop. Take these broken rings and learn how stop signs work. Red light run, red light run, red light run. Red light run, red light run, red light run. Wait, where are you going? That's the wrong side of the road. Seriously.
Let go, and yeah, just started rolling in Colorado, and
no, stop.
Dumped on by the monsoon season. I really
anyone who engages in this sort of behavior. That's
what the hell is that? A coyote or a dog?
The secular. I do think in that way, because secular values.
No, stop. Don't turn on red. And you should have waited like 2 seconds. It just turned green. Really? Alright, there's the sign. Come on, this is probably going to be the last one for this section of 81. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real because we're on 81 south of Syracuse. It's still April. It's the 24th of April. We got another one, even though the first one from today you saw in last week's video probably. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!